What if I told you that you can actually make a full Afrobeat song and full music video just using AI? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can properly utilize AI. So as a music producer, you can actually right now just put out songs by yourself using AI. All right, so I'm sure you guys already know Suno. Suno. I've done a video about Suno and how you can creatively use it as a music producer. You could actually use ChatGPT to create your lyrics if you find it difficult. Maybe you're not a good songwriter, but if you are, as a producer, also a songwriter, amazing. So you could come over to ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT you have these GPTs, right? So you can come over and explore, and they have various, it's like plugins, right? So plugins, so you can just search for Suno, and it's Suno, and it's going to bring out the various plugins that ChatGPT has that can help you create lyrics for Suno, or prompts for Suno, right? So you can, for me, I love the ones that's 5.0. So the one I actually love to use is either this, you can see I've added them here already, Suno 5.0 prompt generator, or this new one. So whichever you could just pick from, and it opens up something new in ChatGPT, right? So you can see it has already given you ideas of prompt you can use. Say, make a Suno version 5 synth wave love song, create dark trap. But yeah, you can just come over here and drop in your prompt. So let's say I want to create I want, right, just a very simple prompt like that, an Afro R&B, because for me, I just love that R&B feel. So it has given us some things to fill out, so I could just copy all these and just paste it back here, and let's just try feeling the emotion. Yeah, this is just the way, for me, this is just how I create. Then lyrics, I could just leave it like this, and it's just gonna fill in the rest for me. So let's leave it to see what it generates. So it's gonna fill the remaining for us, and so it has given us a nice lyrics. So all I just need to do is to copy and go over to Suno, and let's go over to the create section. So right in the create section, I'm just gonna paste in the lyrics, the prompt. So let's copy this, that's the style, and just paste it. Just paste over the song. And for in the advanced section, I want it to be a female artist, right? And let's just see, most times it doesn't actually give you what you want, but you have to still keep creating, changing the the prompt, changing the style till you get what you actually want. So you see, you're still like the producer. So let's hit on create. All right, so let's get our headphones now and listen to the vibes it has created for us, right? So the first one,
soft night breeze on my skin, you're the rhythm I fall into.
I love this, but let's hear the second one. And
Soft night breeze on my skin, you're the rhythm I fall.
so I think, let's say, for example, not like I'm actually feeling any of these two, but let's say I'm feeling the first one. So you could take this into, what is it called, FL Studio, play around with it, and so you can actually just get the stems, play around with it, add your own creativity to it, and basically, you have a different vibe. But in case you don't want to go through that, you could actually still just download the wave, right? So let's say I download the wave, I have the wave file, and let's go into the video creation. So I've done previous videos on how you can actually create with Suno and be more creative. So you could go check out that video. This is just like a quick overview, just showing you guys how you can create a video. But my focus right now is going to be how you can actually create some nice visuals for free. If you have idea for your music video, amazing. But in case you don't have ideas, you can also use ChatGPT to generate your idea, right? So you can carry the full song, which is this whole lyrics, copy it, and let's start like a new chat. And what I'm gonna tell ChatGPT is, I want, right, very simple, just paste in the lyrics there, and it's gonna give us different scenes and everything. So yeah, and all this doesn't take time, and you can do this in less than 10 minutes if you have the time. Yeah, so it has given us some ideas, but it's good most times for you to have your own idea, because that way you could have something amazing. I can tell it I want beats broken down into, yeah, so it's going to break each of those scenes now into different prompts that I could pick those prompts. So I'm just going to pick this wide shot of an empty coastal street. So I'm just going to copy this and go over to meta.ai. So Meta.ai lets you create images and videos for free. All you just have to do is, sign in and just come over to create. Once you're in create, you just paste that prompt, right? So you could just paste in that prompt. I'm just going to paste the prompt, and you could change the dimension. So you could decide to do for reels or for, vertical. So let's just go over with, I'm going to try the two. So let's go over to like the YouTube formats, and let's just hit on create, and it does this creation in no time. So you can see it has created this. So we can decide to pick whichever one you like. So we have this, so it depends on what you want to start with. We have this also. So what I can do is just hit on, so whichever one I like, I can just easily turn it to video by just hitting on animate, right? So once I hit it to animate, it turns it into video. So I could now go over to shot 2, close up of an acoustic guitar leaning against a wall in the dark. Let's paste it, and you could do it in such a way that one is creating, another one is creating. So let's hit this, and here it has created the video. So we can look at the video. Yeah. Or you can even still edit your prompt. Maybe you want like cars driving by, you could add it. But yeah, leave it like this. But if you feel like this length is not okay for you, you could also still extend it, because this is 5 seconds. So what you do basically is to build your scene. After you've gotten all these short clips, you drag it into an editing software and you build your scene. So that's basically how you're going to do for each of your shots, right? Each of these shots you're creating, you do it like that. And I'm going to quickly show you a video that I was able to do using each of these steps, right? So yeah, it has finished animating. So you can see we have a guitar. We have a guitar, and all the generation, it can be based off what the prompt you do. So if you want your own image, you could also add an image. I have this image of myself that I want to change to a video with swag. I don't know what this is going to give, but let's just see what this is going to create. So you could actually bring in your own images if you want yourself to be in the music video. So you can see this. So you can see this. This is B. Actually, it looks like B. So you can see the dance groove. Yeah, but so these are stuff you can actually just do. Then when you're having some beat blog, you could just play around with this. Yeah, so we have DaVinci open right here, and yeah, I'm just gonna open up this video that I've been working on. Yeah, so this is a video. So you're just building your scene. You can see each of these built into different scenes, right? Let's see. Hey, alaye mi no dey fear. Mogbe body, mogbe prayer. Oluwa lo ni area. Them no fit try my data. Sapa no reach me again. Now I dey ride for the rain. Moti so fun gbogbo ye. Emi lo kan lo mi no delay. Ba mi se, ba mi se. But they no why me. So this is how you can just. I've not finished working on it actually, but yeah, so you can see how each of these. Let me go back to Meta AI. So you have this. I just use my images, so you could see difference in this. So you have this also in the studio. Yeah, so you can just be so creative using AI, and it's totally free. So there's no limit. You can keep trying and trying and trying till you actually get what you want. So I'm just gonna show you. And even this song you hear it, which I actually created using AI. I just got the vocals and made another beat to it. Right, so hey, alaye mi no dey fear. Mogbe body, mogbe prayer. Oluwa lo ni area. Them no fit try my data. Sapa no reach me again. Now I dey ride for the rain. Moti so fun gbogbo ye. Emi lo kan lo mi no delay. Ba mi se, ba mi se. But they no why me. So you guys, you get the idea, and I hope you got something from this video. So trust me guys, AI is not yet to like take over whatever you're doing, but you as a producer or you as a creative just have to find a way you can actually work with these AI tools, because it just makes work easier. Right now you could put out, let's say you drop a song, you could create hundreds of videos or hundreds of visuals for that song, before AI now, you know how that would have taken a lot of time getting someone to shoot you, getting locations. But right now, with your laptop, with your phone, you could just sit down and create various visuals. So I'll urge you, man, to just embrace it and try to find a way to be creative around it. And if you love prompt, if you want prompts you can be able to use to generate your own video, just join the Patreon. I'm going to be compiling a list of prompts and I'm going to be dropping them in the Patreon for you guys to try out and enjoy it for yourself. So hope you got something from this. If you want to see more amazing videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.